Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to find the Bluetooth name. First, power the car's infotainment and your phone. Once done, enable Bluetooth on the phone and make it discoverable for a short window. Then press the car's menu, phone, or settings button to open the connections list. Many systems show Bluetooth immediately. Make sure you're in the vehicle and at a low volume so prompts are audible. This speeds navigation and avoids accidental pairing interruptions as you look for the device name. Now navigate the infotainment screens to find the actual name. Go to Bluetooth, Connections, or Phone Paired Devices. Some systems hide the label under About or System Info. Once there, scroll the device list. Your phone or the car's own Bluetooth label appears as the name. If you see multiple names, use MAC-like suffixes or the phone model to identify the right entry. Make sure to use the appropriate control method, touchscreen, rotary knob, or steering buttons so the selection responds correctly. To finish, rename the connection if your car or phone allows it. This makes future identification simple, then save and reconnect to confirm audio and calls work. If the name still isn't visible, restart the phone and infotainment, remove old pairings, and retry discovery. This resolves most glitches. Make sure both devices run current software. If problems persist, consult the car's manual or dealer, because some models lock the broadcast name for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.